Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wall laser level tool that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Cooltech Crossline Laser Level with 8 feet measure tape. The Laser Level Line tool by Cooltech is a versatile multi-purpose tool that combines a tape measure, leveling bubble, and laser level to provide accurate measurements and straight lines. It is designed for indoor use and is ideal for hanging pictures, measuring wall locations, and leveling nails. The tool comes with an 8-foot measuring tape that includes both imperial and metric linear measures. It also features a backup battery for convenience. However, it may fade in sunlight or outdoor use. The tool is easy to use and provides maximum results. It has received positive reviews for its features and value for money. The Laser Level Line tool is a handy gadget for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Moving on at number 4, we have the Black & Decker Laser Level. The Black & Decker Laser Level is a versatile self-leveling tool that is perfect for various household applications. It features a 360-degree rotating wall attachment, allowing you to project a laser line at any angle. The 2 backlit bubble vials provide enhanced visibility and accuracy, making it easy to hang pictures, mirrors, shelves, curtain rods, and more. With a power output of as less than or equal to 5 milliwatts, this Class 3R laser product ensures safety. It comes with a wall attachment and 2 Ah batteries, and also includes a 2-year limited warranty. The Black & Decker Laser Level is a convenient and reliable tool for achieving precise and straight alignments in your home. At number 3, we have the Piamif 8-foot laser level kit with metric rulers. The multi-purpose laser level kit is a versatile tool designed to help you measure and align your projects with ease. It emits beams of light that provide visual guidance throughout your project, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Whether you're hanging pictures, shelves, or working on construction projects, this laser level tool is a convenient and cost-effective solution. With a fine-tuned tape measure, triple-positioned leveling bubble, and a cross laser level, it offers maximum results for aligning and leveling. The tool is easy to use, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact size and multiple features make it handy for various tasks. At number 2, we have the AikTryee Laser Level Line Tool with metric rulers 8 feet, 2.5 m. The Laser Level Line Tool by AikTryee is a versatile laser level kit designed for accurate measurements. It is perfect for hanging shelves, cabinets, tiles, and picture frames. The tool features one slider selection button for easy operation, allowing users to control the vertical, horizontal, and cross laser line modes. It also includes one level, one plumb, and 145 degrees bubble for precise horizontal and vertical plane determination. The laser level comes with an 8-foot measuring tape that includes imperial and metric linear measures. With its affordable price and high-quality construction, the AikTryee Laser Level is a great tool for any DIY project. And finally at number 1, we have the PREXISO Laser Level Self-Leveling. The PREXISO Laser Level Self-Leveling is a highly versatile and portable tool that projects bright horizontal and vertical red beam lines onto flat surfaces with high accuracy. It features a self-leveling mode with an LED indicator that turns green when the tool is level. The tool can also be used in manual mode for aligning lines at different angles. With a 1/4 inches -20 nut and clamp, it can be mounted on a door frame or workbench, and it is compatible with wall mounts and tripods, sold separately. The tool is portable and durable, with a comfortable grip and shock-resistant design. It comes with 2 Ah batteries and a carry bag. Overall, the PREXISO Laser Level Self-Leveling is a reliable and user-friendly tool for various applications.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.